Okay, so I just had this genius idea of like magic kind of magnetic tarp. Um, it sounds so stupid when I start saying stuff, but magnetic tarp kind of like soil pumps, right? So like there's a Earth is eroding type shit. You know what I mean? It's inevitable, I mean, to a degree. So it'll be like giant like plates of soil, right? That have magnetic soil, or I guess, yeah, that would work. I don't know how it really would work. Honestly, there's lots of ideas. Whenever I think of something, I think of like at least a couple schematics that will lead to hundreds of more schematics. But I was thinking of like a triangle, kind of like cone one, or like giant floors for like futuristic cities that can't flood. But it's like, you use my magnetic plate or metal plates and magnetization and electricity to like funnel water out of the soil by squeezing it and leading it back to my water masses. Um, it's like installations though, like levels. It's kind of complex to explain, but not at all. It would be simply activated by like activating it, and the magnetization intensity would pull the water out of the soil, kind of like a strainer. And yeah, that then it would squeeze the water out. Like a sheet of metal underneath a city, for instance. You know, there's so many other things you want to prepare for. I just think it's a really good idea. And I had other ones like controlled lakes. It's a lot to explain. There's a lot of ideas that have slipped away from me. Not really, actually. I got them all down. They're hopefully guided towards being created in the first place. Because that's all that matters. I don't necessarily need to frontier all my ideas. It's just sad. You're like disassembled, fragmented, and left in pieces of what you can partake in society, and you're just watching pieces of you just flourish, and no scaffolding for you to grab onto as you fall into a pit of unsupported financial despair. But as long as you shoot out these ideas, then, hopefully the world will be saved, and you participated in some sort of correlation to the great archive of destiny and fate. As it's already being written, it was always written. So yeah, kind of exactly what I explained. It's just there's a few questions about it all that I have. Because then it's worldly rotation and the axes of like what we accumulate, and then the course, and then the melting icebergs, then prolonging our existence, and then rising cities, floodgates, the overall control, the overall blind mass of society, babied in its reformed reality. Scary to see how disabled humanity becomes. Like a humorous joke it had told that came back to bite its ass. make fun of your weakest links because they may have been the strongest. And fear of the weakest links may have killed you from their strength. It's an infinite self-collapsing chasm. I just wish the fruit of fruition was created. Something like that. I look like a dead person. But, yeah. There's a whole bunch of other ideas. My stomach sucks. Doesn't even matter. Probably not. I just hope it does. Hope it leads to something. But I just want to give up. It's not like I'm being heard. So many perception frauds. So much occurring. We never even matter.